TikTok looks like a short video app. You open it. A video starts instantly. You watch for a few seconds. You swipe. Another video appears. Then another. Then another. And suddenly, 10 minutes are gone. That is not an accident. TikTok is not just showing videos. It is organizing attention. Every swipe gives the system more information. Every watch gives it a signal. Every pause teaches it something. Every like, comment, share, and replay helps the app understand what keeps people engaged. That is the hidden business model. TikTok turns short videos into an endless attention loop. Creators supply the content. The algorithm ranks the feed. Users keep scrolling. Advertisers buy attention. And shopping features turn discovery into purchases. This is why TikTok keeps you scrolling. Before TikTok, many social apps were built around people you already followed. You opened the app to see friends, creators, celebrities, or brands you had chosen. The feed was social first. TikTok changed the center of gravity. The most important page is not only who you follow, it is the For You feed. That shift matters, because the app does not need you to build a perfect following list before it becomes interesting. It can start testing content immediately, video by video, swipe by swipe. The app learns what makes you stop, what makes you leave, and what makes you watch again. That makes the feed feel personal very quickly. The user does not need to search. The user does not need to choose. The next video is already waiting. That is the foundation of the TikTok model. The For You page is the heart of TikTok. It feels simple. One video at a time. Full screen. No complicated menu. No long decision. Just watch or swipe. But behind that simple interface is a recommendation system. The app is constantly deciding which video should come next. It can test different topics, different creators, different sounds, different formats, different emotional hooks. And the user gives feedback without filling out a survey. Watching is feedback. Skipping is feedback. Rewatching is feedback. Sharing is feedback. Commenting is feedback. Even the speed of a swipe can become a signal. That is why the For You page is so powerful. It turns passive watching into constant data, and that data shapes the next video. Infinite scroll removes the stopping point. In traditional media, there are natural endings. A TV episode ends. A newspaper page ends. A YouTube video ends. A playlist ends. But TikTok makes the next piece of content feel immediate. The user does not need to decide what to watch next. The next video is already there. All it takes is one swipe. That matters because choosing creates friction. Searching creates friction. Waiting creates friction. Even thinking too much creates friction. TikTok reduces that friction almost completely. The product does not ask, "What do you want to watch?" It simply shows something. And if you do not like it, you swipe. The cost of continuing is tiny. That is why the experience can feel endless. TikTok does not need to win one long decision. It only needs to win the next few seconds. Every TikTok session creates a data loop. The user watches. The system observes. The feed adjusts. Then the user watches again. That loop repeats hundreds of times. A completed video tells the system something. A skipped video tells it something else. A replay may signal strong interest. A share may signal emotional impact. A comment may signal engagement. A follow may signal future interest. Over time, the app builds a stronger picture of what holds attention. This is what makes TikTok different from a normal video library. It is not just a place where videos are stored. It is a feedback machine. More watching creates more signals. More signals improve recommendations. Better recommendations increase watch time. And more watch time creates even more data. That is the data loop behind the endless scroll. TikTok's feed needs a constant supply of content. That is where creators become essential. Millions of creators make videos. Some are polished. Some are raw. Some are funny. Some are educational. Some are strange. Some are extremely simple. The platform does not need every video to be perfect. It needs enough videos to test. Because when the algorithm has a massive supply of content, it can find what works for different people. One video may fail for most users, but perform extremely well for a specific audience. That is powerful. TikTok turns creators into a distributed content factory. Every creator is producing new material for the feed. Every upload becomes another possibility for attention. And when a video performs well, the system can push it further. That creates the dream that anyone can go viral. And that dream keeps creators producing. Creators keep posting because TikTok offers something very powerful. Possibility. A small account can reach a large audience. A simple video can spread quickly. A new creator can get attention without years of building followers. That possibility changes creator behavior. Instead of thinking only about subscribers, creators think about performance. The hook, the first second, the watch time, the replay, the share, the comment, the trend, the sound, the format. TikTok trains creators to produce for the feed, and that benefits the platform. Because the more creators compete for attention, the more content TikTok has to recommend. The platform does not create every video itself. It creates the system that motivates other people to create. That is one of the strongest parts of the model. TikTok turns creator ambition into content supply. Once TikTok captures attention, advertising becomes easier to sell. Brands do not just want impressions. They want attention. They want people to stop scrolling. They want ads to feel like content. They want products to appear inside culture, not beside it. That is why TikTok advertising is powerful. The ad can appear inside the same feed as normal videos. It can use creator-style formats. It can feel native to the platform. And it can reach users based on the signals created by their behavior. For advertisers, TikTok is not only a place to place ads. It is a place to enter attention streams. The business model is simple at the surface. Users watch videos. Creators make videos. Brands pay to reach users. But the hidden advantage is the recommendation system that decides where attention goes. TikTok Shop adds another layer. The platform is no longer only about watching. It can also turn discovery into buying. A user sees a product in a video. A creator demonstrates it. The product feels entertaining, useful, or surprising. Then the purchase path can happen inside the same environment. That matters because traditional commerce often starts with search. You know what you want. You search for it. You compare options. Then you buy. TikTok can work differently. It can start with discovery. You are not planning to shop, but the feed shows you a product. The creator makes it feel real. The video creates desire. And the platform reduces the distance between watching and buying. That is why TikTok Shop is important. It turns attention into commerce. Many platforms can copy short videos. They can copy vertical format. They can copy full-screen feeds. They can copy swipe gestures. They can copy sounds, effects, and trends. But copying the interface is not the same as copying the system. TikTok's strength comes from the combination. A powerful recommendation feed. A huge supply of creators. Fast content testing. High user feedback density. Strong cultural trends. Advertising demand. And shopping features that connect discovery to buying. Each part supports the next. Creators produce content. Users create signals. The algorithm organizes attention. Advertisers buy access to that attention. Commerce turns some attention into sales. That is why the model is hard to copy. The visible product is short video. The hidden advantage is the attention system behind it. TikTok's model is powerful because it gives users what they want quickly. Entertainment, information, comedy, drama, trends, products, opinions, stories. A feeling that something interesting is always one swipe away. But that power also creates tension. If the feed is too good, people may spend more time than they planned. If the recommendations are too precise, the experience can feel hard to stop. If creators chase attention too aggressively, content can become more extreme, repetitive, or optimized for hooks. That is the trade-off. The same system that makes TikTok entertaining also makes it incredibly good at capturing time. The business benefits when users keep watching. The user benefits when the feed feels valuable. But the line between useful personalization and endless consumption can become very thin. The lesson from TikTok is simple. The visible product is short video, but the hidden business model is attention. TikTok does not just host content. It ranks attention. It tests videos. It learns from behavior. It rewards creators. It sells advertising. And it turns discovery into shopping. That is why the scroll feels endless. Every video is a test. Every swipe is a signal. Every creator adds supply. Every user session teaches the system more. And every extra minute of attention creates more value for the platform. TikTok is not just a video app. It is an attention engine built for the mobile internet. And once the next video is always one swipe away, stopping becomes the hardest part. Subscribe for more breakdowns of the hidden business models behind modern companies, apps, and internet trends.